The Step 2 tutorial is for those who cannot register domain name or hosting on NameCheap from Nigeria. Watch how I practically show you how to register domain name with hosting from Nigeria using SmartWeb Nigeria Limited. To get started, go to www.smartweb.com.n. Scroll down to the bottom, you will see the domain registration link, click it. Name you want to use in the search box. If the results show green, it means the domain name is available to buy. But if it show red, it means the domain name is not available and you need to change it. Check DNS management and email forwarding if you want to buy only the domain name. Ignore it and click on No Hosting Click to Add Link. Select any hosting package you want and click Order Now. Choose the domain, but since you already added to cart the domain name you wanted to buy, click Use beside the domain box. Review the information, select how long you want to host the website, either monthly or yearly. Check dedicated IP address or ignore it. Click Checkout, Login or Sign Up. Choose payment method that's okay with you and click Complete Order. Thank you, like, subscribe and share.